In this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate the bass from Taxman, It Comes at Night. So first of all, here's what the melody looks like on step mode. And now let's recreate the patch. So let's start by going to oscillator A, and we're going to get basic shapes. I'm going to leave it on 0 and change this to a square wave. Put the RAM down to 0%, and I'm going to turn the level off for now. And then I'm going to come to LFO1, and I'm going to go here, and I'm going to find something I made earlier. So this looks like this. So I've just curved this up like this, and then I've just double clicked to add more parameters. So you just double click here and it adds more in, and then that gets this shape. I can then put this LFO on the level, and then if I put this on envelope mode, we'll get something that sounds like this. Now I'm going to put some noise on it, turn this level down, and I can apply the LFO to this as well. I can put it on a low percentage, like 20%-ish. And then I'm going to come back to the oscillator, and I'm going to add some sync. Now I can drag this LFO onto the sync as well. And I'm going to drag this to 39% here. And then we have this sound. And then I'm going to add a filter on to get rid of some of the high end, and then to boost some of the ranges here that will also move with the LFO. So let's turn this on. And first let's put the numbers in. So I'm going to put 135 here. Just double click on it to change it. Double click, change this to 25. Double click, change this to 37. And double click, change this to 12. Now I'm going to drag this LFO on the cutoff here and put this at 20%. And then you'll see this move. So obviously you can change this to taste, but I found about 20% work best. Now it sounds a bit muffled at the moment, so I need some more effects to bring the sound out. So I'm going to start with a distortion, and I'm going to put this on hard clip, and then drag this down and whack this LFO on at 100%. Now we start to get some of the sound coming out, and then I'm going to add a compressor, put this on multiband and boost this right up to about 17.5, and then I'm going to increase this to 113, the high end on this. Now it's really starting to come through. I'm going to add an EQ on as well. I can then use this to get rid of the sub element. So you could add your own sub bass underneath this. And then if you want to boost some of the sounds, you could add like a bell-shaped curve like this, anywhere along in the frequencies you like. And then we have the bulk of the sound. I've then put this on another channel, and this is running into an insert here at 42%, and I've just got a reverb on here with an EQ cutting out the lows. So now if I press play here, you'll see it's just bringing a little bit of reverb in to make it feel more full. Without, with. And now if we listen to this melody, and in context with the tune, it sounds pretty close. If you want lots more presets and samples, make sure to check out my Jump Up Drum and Bass pack, link down below. And if you enjoyed this video, why not check out this video here, where I make more Jump Up Drum and Bass sounds in Serum, and you can get better at sound design.